Listen, this is a gold mine. No one is talking about it. I have been checking for a tutorial on how to do it, but no one is showing exact same steps I'm about to show you. And yes, you are wondering, are they monetized? And does even YouTube allow this? This guy just made, and he started 2 months ago, and yes, before you run away, check this out. In YouTube's latest policy announcement, it's clearly stated that there are no changes to the reuse policy, which allows already uploaded content to be used for commentary, reaction, entertainment, or educational value, and is eligible for monetization. And honestly, everything feels like a dead end right now, but here's the thing, it's not actually that complicated. It's just that all these so-called gurus are making it seem impossible with their zero evidence advice. Today, I'm going to walk you through every single step, but let me be real with you. This is going to take serious effort, time, and patience. If you're thinking this is some get-rich-quick scheme, just leave right now because I'm not here to give you false hopes. I know many people will leave, but only those with real fire inside will stick around until the end and actually start working. I know this because I've been exactly where you are right now. And there's always that moment where you have to stop consuming content and start creating it. Otherwise, you'll be stuck in this loop forever. The niche we're covering today is the movie Explain niche, but not the common one of Chinese sites. This is more better. This niche is actually much better than those low-effort, one-click generated videos. So in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the entire process. So by the end, you'll be fully ready to launch your Movie Explain channel. So, guys, the method I will show you today is going to be the best method ever. And literally, you won't find this method anywhere on YouTube. So, starting with the video idea, you have two options to go with. The first is the most common and widely used by almost every creator, which is you just look up the best performing underrated movies on Google, check their IMDb ratings, and then you simply start searching for clips out there. But the biggest problem with this method is actually finding the perfect clips or scenes, and then writing a script becomes even more complicated. Method 2. But what if I tell you that there's a method where you don't even need to do anything, and everything will come perfectly edited in your hands? Well, that method is actually method 2. In this method, you just need to search movie clips on YouTube and jump into this channel. So this is an official channel that uploads the best scenes of almost every single movie. They have like 42,000 clips uploaded on their channel. You literally don't even have the need to watch the entire movie just to find the best part of that movie. This is not a paid promotion, guys. I am just revealing the easiest way to make Movie Explained shorts. On their channel, you will literally find top-notch movie scenes. And all you need to do is just watch the clip 2 to 3 times, on which you will be making your short, and just understand what's actually happening in that particular scene. Once you find a movie clip and did all the character name research and watched it several times, just download it. After you download your video using YT Studio, open CapCut. Next, locate this video you downloaded and open it inside CapCut. Then, drag it to the timeline. Once it's in the timeline, watch and review it carefully. After reviewing, begin editing by keeping the best parts of the video you want to showcase. Remove any unwanted sections, trim and crop as needed. Adjust everything in the timeline until it flows smoothly. CapCut is very easy to use, and that's why I prefer it. Most of the tools you'll need are included in the free plan, so there's no need to upgrade to Pro. Your videos must stand out. Trim and arrange the clips properly so they blend seamlessly with one another. Highlighting the best moments helps your audience stay longer, which increases watch time and retention. More retention leads to more views. Always keep your audience engaged until the very end. Make sure your first clip is extremely hooking. The opening determines whether viewers stay or scroll away. you've highlighted the best moments, change the orientation to Shorts format. Expand and adjust the clips you selected so they fit perfectly on the vertical screen. Position the subjects properly to ensure everything is visible. This step takes time, and many people avoid it, but it's what makes your videos stand out. Remember, if you're serious about making money online, you need to give your absolute best effort. Next, extract the audio. Remove unwanted parts if necessary. After that, add effects to make the video more engaging. Choose the right effects that enhance the overall feel and make your video look authentic. The goal is to keep viewers engaged. Effects and creative edits add personality to your content. Always try to make the video uniquely yours. Editing is not just about cutting clips, it's about creativity. The more creative you are, the more your videos will stand out. Add transitions between clips. Transitions make your video flow smoothly from one scene to the next, giving it a professional and uniform look. This happens to be my first video, but even so, you can already see how much better it looks after careful editing. Go back and refine any parts that don't align properly. Ensure all clips flow consistently. Don't forget captions. Captions help increase retention because they make the video easier to follow. YouTube also promotes videos with captions more often since they are shareable and accessible. Make your captions stand out by adding animations, effects, or slight adjustments. This adds extra engagement and vibes well with your content. Everything shown here is allowed under YouTube's updated guidelines, July 2025. You won't receive copyright strikes when you edit responsibly. To further stand out, consider adding background music and creative touches that reflect your style. This will help you rise above the crowd. Always review your video before exporting. Watch it as if you were the audience. Make sure it delivers not just content, but an enjoyable viewing experience. If you consistently apply this editing style, your videos will stand out even if others try to copy. With effort and creativity, your YouTube channel can grow significantly within 2 to 3 months. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more tactics on editing and making money online using YouTube